How do you turn off the screen reading on the iPhone? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you might have seen or be in a situation where the screen just gets read out loud to you. And this is actually a feature which can be found in the settings by going to the accessibility section. And inside of the read and speak, we can find speak screen. And that is the thing which you are probably experiencing. So you can disable it, completely turn it off, right? That's what you can do to never make it be triggered again. However, it's a great feature once you know how to use it because it gets enabled whenever you swipe down with two fingers from the top edge of the display. So when you perform this gesture, you're going to get the speech controller, and every text or all of the, sentences, every word which is readable on the screen will be read out loud to you. So this is ideal if you are, for example, browsing a web page or, looking at some different text or whatever, and you don't want to read it, or for some reason you need it to be read out loud to you. You can trigger this gesture and this feature, and the whole screen will be, spoken to you. So as I said, you can turn it off if you don't want to, but that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to turn it off or set up the way that you wanted. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.